of what's going on here. Let's see if I can get up here. Talk to this guy. Ooh, this is going to be tough to scale this thing, it looks like. Ooh, how am I going to do this? Ooh, and then there's those things that'll kill you. Oh, maybe I got to jump onto here and then jump onto there. Wow, this takes some skill right here. Feels like I'm playing a Mario 64. Oh, I'm up, but now it won't let me under the tent. Maybe I gotta get on top of the tent. Oh, on top of the tent. Wow, I bet not many people have done that. Nice, 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 very nice. Oh, come on, don't do that. Alright. There we go. Wow, that was tough. That was very tough. Centaur braces. Okay, I can certainly do that for you, sir. That's no problem. And honor. Kolkar leaders. Let's look at that. Bring Barak's head to Ragtar Deathgate. Ragtar Deathgate. Okay. I can certainly do that. How much closer are we to the destination? Let's look. Oh, it looks like we're about in the same place. Alright. It looks like I found a glitch here. I'm going to have to report this to Blizzard. It won't let me out of here. Oh no. I'm going to have to... Oh, this is not good. Uh-oh. I might have to put this up as a clip on the Twitch as Blizzard, you need to patch this glitch. It looks like I'm stuck. Ooh, this is not good. Not good at all. How do I get the camera out? Come on. Let me out of here. Let me out of here, Ragtar. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, there. Alright, don't set the camera back. No, don't do that. Come on, I need you to let me out of here. Come on. Oh no. Not good. Not good. Blizzard, I found a glitch. Blizzard, come on, help my character out here. Ooh, beautiful sky. What are you doing to me, Blizzard? I can't even go anywhere. What are you doing, Blizzard? Oh, finally. Whoa, that was a major glitch. I can't believe that, Blizzard. I'm gonna have to report that to the devs. Ooh. Fans, I hope that didn't raise your blood pressure as much as it rose mine. That was tough right there. That was very tough. Blizzard has got to do something about that glitch. That was uncalled for, Blizzard. You don't release a game when it still has a glitch like that. I was stuck for what, 3 or 4 minutes? Blizzard, you should be ashamed of yourself. I can't believe that. Unbelievable.